The Brecon Herringbone has an advanced 5G click joint. This video will show you how to separate planks using the 5G tool. You will receive this tool with each order in a yellow envelope. Ensure that the gauge is facing up. You will be able to see the word up. Place the 5G tool into the exposed joint of the board. Slide the gauge towards where the two boards are joined. Holding the red tab, push the wire through the gauge and into the joint. Once the wire is pushed fully through the joint, you will be able to lift the board with no resistance. You shouldn't need to apply pressure to the tool. If the wire requires force, start again. Make sure the wire is under the joint. Ensure it is pushed to the end of the board. Avoid pulling off the gauge. If you use the 5G tool without the gauge, you will have difficulty pushing the wire through the joint. If the gauge comes off the wire, you can simply thread it back through by threading it through both ends of the underside of the gauge. If you attempt to remove a plank without using the 5G tool, it's likely that you will damage the joints of both planks. If the wire bends, you can simply bend it back into shape using your hands. If you receive your delivery without the yellow envelope, please call our office and we can send one in the post.